Hello! I'm going to talk today a little bit about content analysis of film in particular, because of course we can content analyse any kind of artefact. It can be a film, a book, a magazine, a website, etc. So, talking about film, as a parent of two teenagers, I'm very much aware of the content of film and TV. Now, we have a fairly sophisticated analysis these days of research findings, and I don't think we need be concerned nowadays that our children will become serial killers if they happen to walk in while we're watching one of the gory bits of Game of Thrones. However, it's still quite possible that more subtle behaviours have more subtle influences. Mostly, though, what I really like Gunnar Sekera's article in this issue of Psychology Review is as a kind of protocol for conducting content analysis, and you can kind of base your own research on the way this was done. So this kind of process begins, as explained in this article, with the kind of selection criteria for what's going to be observed and why. Whatever you're going to observe is going to represent what you're interested in. Therefore, it's really critical to get that right. It's also really important establish some reliability and validity. So a pilot study is a really good way of getting the validity right. You can check out whether what you're measuring is the kind of thing you're interested in. It's also really important to have inter-rater reliability exercises with at least two observers watching independently and agreeing on what the content is. The data extraction tool, in other words, the kind of checklist of what you're looking for, is also crucial because that needs to kind of represent what's actually present. It's no good conducting a study where you're looking for something and then you realise halfway through that there's another measure there that would have been really crucial, but you're not looking at it. So that's really important. And finally, what's really nice about this article is the modesty of the claims based on the findings. This author is very keen to stress that in a content analysis, you're simply looking at what is there. You have to be awfully cautious before interpreting anything about what behavioural impact this might have. That's always really crucial with content analysis. So, that's it. Thank you very much.